sound sensor I need. My goal was to make a robot that could go forward when I say something. My design, my robot moves forward when I say something. And this is my program. Rethink. I had a big battery pack. It was too big for me to put anything in it on top of it. I added more Legos to it so it could stand higher than all.
Go.
Go forward. I don't think it hurt. Oh, it does. Go forward.
All right, cool. Does anybody have any questions?
Me first. You're on the back.
Me?
Yeah.
So how did you make the project? Like, it's really cool. So what kind of motors or sensors did you use so that it can, like, sense your voice?
I used the sound sensor. And I used the motor. There's no other motor than this. Okay, Gian.
What kind of details did you add to your vehicle?
I added this thing.
Yeah.
And that's all extra wheel.
Yeah.
Any more? Wheel.
Okay. So, did you program it to like listen to other commands like backward or anything like that, or is it just forward?
It goes forward when you say anything. Like, it even goes forward when you tap it.
So, like maybe if you clap, it will go forward.
What?
So if it listens to other sounds, so you can even clap and then it'll go forward. So
It
you
hears it.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool.
All right, let's give him a round of applause.
Yeah.